Welcome to Body Make and Health Management. Here we focus on practical, science-backed strategies for a stronger body and sharper mind. Today, we're tackling a surprisingly powerful habit, eating the same breakfast every day. While variety sounds appealing, consistency in your morning meal can actually transform your health, focus, and productivity. We'll break down 6 key benefits of this routine, from reducing mental clutter to supporting your fitness goals. By the end, you'll see why some of the world's most successful people swear by this strategy, and how you can use it to unlock your own potential. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. Simplifies your morning routine. Mornings are hectic. They often feel like a race against the clock, a flurry of activity before the day truly begins. The last thing you need is another decision to make. Each choice, no matter how small, chips away at your mental reserves. A standardized breakfast removes the daily "what should I eat" debate, eliminating one source of morning stress, saving you time and mental energy. It's about reclaiming those precious minutes and brain cells. Instead of rummaging through the fridge, searching for something that appeals to you in that moment, you move on autopilot, freeing your mind for more important things, like planning your day or simply enjoying a moment of peace. This isn't about being rigid, it's about being strategic. It's a conscious choice to simplify one aspect of your life. Steve Jobs wore the same outfit daily to reduce trivial decisions and save brain power for what mattered. He understood the power of minimizing distractions. The same principle applies to breakfast. Automate the small stuff, preserve energy for bigger challenges, streamline the routine, amplify the focus. This structure brings order and predictability, grounding your morning. It creates a sense of stability in the midst of chaos. It also prevents rushed, unhealthy choices like sugary cereals or pastries that can sabotage your energy, setting you up for a mid-morning crash. Having a healthy breakfast ready acts as a guardrail against poor decisions. It's a preemptive strike against temptation. It's a simple act of self-respect. You, from yesterday, looking out for you, today. A small investment in your well-being. By simplifying your morning meal, you set a foundation for clear thinking and better choices, fueling your body and mind for the day ahead. This small anchor of consistency can provide comfort and control in a chaotic world, a reliable ritual to center yourself. Start your day on your terms with intention. Take charge of your morning, take charge of your life. That's the power of a boring breakfast. It's a gateway to a more focused, productive, and intentional day. Chapter 2. Reduces decision fatigue. We're diving into a crucial aspect of optimizing your mornings, minimizing decision fatigue. Every choice you make in the morning, from the moment you open your eyes, what to wear, what to eat, even what news to check first, drains your mental energy, slowly but surely depleting your cognitive resources. Decision fatigue is real, and it's a significant obstacle to a productive day. The more choices you make, especially early on, the worse your decisions get as the day progresses. Your willpower weakens. By automating breakfast, you bypass a whole set of trivial decisions that chip away at your mental reserves. Your morning food routine becomes a straight line, a predictable and effortless process. Wake up, make your meal, done. No agonizing over options, no wasted mental bandwidth. This frees up brain power for what really matters, the tasks and goals that demand your full attention. Planning your day, setting priorities, connecting with family, nurturing relationships, or setting intentions, reflecting on your goals and values. It also preserves your willpower, that finite resource that fuels self-control, making it easier to resist temptations later in the day, whether it's unhealthy snacks or procrastination. When you start with a healthy, automatic choice, you're setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. You reinforce your identity as someone disciplined and in control, someone who makes conscious choices. This small win creates momentum, a cascade of positive effects, for more good choices throughout the day, leading to a healthier and more productive lifestyle. Think of it as a positive feedback loop, a virtuous cycle that reinforces itself. One good decision leads to another, creating a chain reaction of positive habits. You're not just saving energy, you're investing it wisely. You're building a foundation for better habits, a solid base for long-term success. The less you debate, the more you achieve. The more you automate, the more you liberate. Start your day with a win, a simple victory over decision fatigue, and let that momentum carry you, propelling you towards your goals. That's the secret to beating decision fatigue. Streamline your mornings and reclaim your mental energy. Chapter 3. Supports weight management. We're going to explore how a simple, consistent breakfast can be a game changer in your weight management journey. It's not just about what you eat, but also about the habits you build around your meals. Consistency is key for weight management. It's the bedrock upon which successful habits are built. And breakfast is the perfect place to start. It sets the tone for your entire day, influencing your food choices and energy levels. Eating the same healthy meal daily means you know exactly what's in it. You eliminate the guesswork and potential for unhealthy surprises. Ingredients: ensuring you're getting the right balance of nutrients. Calories: allowing you to accurately track your intake and stay on target. And nutrients: you're in complete control of what you're putting into your body. No more guessing about mystery muffins, those sugar-laden temptations that derail your progress, or fast food burritos. Say goodbye to hidden fats and excessive sodium. This predictability makes it easy to plan the rest of your meals, knowing you've already started with a solid foundation, and stay within your calorie goals. It simplifies your dietary choices throughout the day. A standardized breakfast helps you avoid accidental overeating, preventing those sneaky calorie additions, and keeps portion sizes consistent. You're training your body to expect and be satisfied with a specific amount. Meals rich in protein and fiber keep you full longer, providing sustained energy, reducing cravings and energy crashes. You'll experience a more stable and balanced day. Think of your breakfast as a fixed expense in your daily calorie budget, a non-negotiable investment in your health. It's already accounted for. This pre-planned approach eliminates impulsive decisions. This clarity gives you control over your nutrition for the rest of the day. You're empowered to make informed choices. You shift from chasing novelty, those fleeting moments of taste that often lead to regret, to fueling your body for long-term health. You're prioritizing your well-being over instant gratification. It's not about restriction. It's not about deprivation or feeling limited. It's about making your goals easier to achieve. It's about setting yourself up for success. A consistent breakfast builds a healthier relationship with food. You start to see food as fuel, not just a source of comfort or entertainment. You focus on nourishment, providing your body with what it needs to thrive. Not just fleeting pleasure, you're building habits that will support your health for years to come. This mindset is the foundation for sustainable weight management. It's about creating a lifestyle you can maintain. Start with breakfast, make that one consistent change, and the rest falls into place. You'll be amazed at the positive ripple effect it creates. Saves time and money. Beyond health, a uniform breakfast routine saves you time and money. Your grocery list becomes simple and predictable, no more wandering the aisles or buying specialty ingredients you'll never use. You buy in bulk, save money, and reduce food waste. Meal prep gets faster and more efficient. You become an expert at your go-to breakfast. Batch cook components like oats for the week, shaving minutes off your morning routine. Compare this to grabbing breakfast on the go. A coffee and pastry can cost $10, while your homemade meal is under $2. Over a month, the savings are huge. No more wasted money on convenience foods or unused pantry items. You're intentional with your resources, trading novelty for more time, less stress, and a fatter wallet. This habit streamlines your life far beyond the breakfast table. It's a practical, logical choice that pays dividends. More time, more money, less stress. That's the real value of a boring breakfast. Make your mornings efficient and your finances healthier. It's a cornerstone habit for a well-run life. Simple, repeatable, and effective. Chapter 5. Builds a healthy habit loop. Humans are creatures of habit, and breakfast is the perfect place to build a positive habit loop. The cue your alarm or morning glass of water. The routine preparing and eating your set breakfast. The reward feeling full, energized, and accomplished. This loop becomes automatic, requiring less and less effort over time. The psychological reward, starting your day with a win, boosts your self-esteem and motivation. Over time, this habit becomes ingrained, making healthy choices effortless. A solid breakfast routine can spark other good habits, like packing a healthy lunch or hitting the gym. It's a keystone habit that creates positive momentum for your whole day. The more you repeat it, the stronger it gets. Your brain starts to crave the routine and the reward. One good habit leads to another. Start with breakfast and watch your healthy habits multiply. That's the power of a well-designed habit loop. Chapter 6. Makes it easier to spot what works or doesn't. Optimizing your health means listening to your body's signals, but too many variables make it hard to know what's working. A consistent breakfast acts as a scientific control, giving you a stable baseline. You know how you feel after your standard meal, so changes elsewhere are easier to track. Want to test cutting out dairy? With breakfast constant, you can see the real impact. If your go-to breakfast leaves you tired or bloated, the pattern is obvious, so you can adjust and experiment. Swap in a new meal for a week and observe the difference. This methodical approach turns you into your own health detective. Personalized nutrition starts with a consistent routine. You learn what truly fuels your body, moving beyond generic advice. The more you experiment, the more body intelligence you gain. You connect what you eat with how you feel and perform. This skill pays off for a lifetime, letting you adapt as your needs change. It all starts with a simple, consistent breakfast. Use it as your foundation for self-discovery and better health. So, there you have it. The 6 reasons why a boring breakfast can be your secret weapon for health and productivity. It gives you structure, saves time and money, supports your goals, and builds powerful habits. It's not about restriction, but about intention and clarity. Automate this one choice and you set the tone for a successful day. Start with a win and let that momentum carry you. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more science-backed tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.